Hello and welcome back. I'm Lance Bishop with the BRB Team, bringing you your Bitcoin Touchpoint, your updates the way you want it. As a reminder, this is never financial advice. Let's jump right into it. Starting off with Bitcoin news. The crypto market remains focused on Bitcoin ETF flows over fundamentals. Spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded their first week of net outflows. There were $836 million in net outflows between March 18 and March 21. The total outflows from the Grayscale ETF reached $1.83 billion over 4 days. It is speculated that the selling pressure may have come from the bankruptcy estate of Genesis Global. We will have to watch this closely to see if the trend continues. Now shifting gears into the Bitcoin technicals. Let's jump right into the fear and greed indicator. Overall sentiment in the crypto market remains mixed in social media. However, the indicator remains firmly in the greed territory. The fear and greed indicator has not changed since last Friday and is reading an indicator of 75. Now taking a look at the ETF inflows. As previously mentioned this past week, the ETF's inflows and outflows had their worst since they started to accumulate in January. The inflows were very weak, with all of the ETFs having their slowest week of net inflows into the market. Grayscale also had the strongest week of outflows from their trust, totaling over $2 billion. Turning our focus over to the Bitcoin heat map. There is some consolidation on the top end, with a cluster of short hands forming around the 68,400 level. In the near term, the longs are positioned just above and below the 66,000 level. These are the areas you will want to pay attention to today, as the market makers typically follow the closest liquidity before changing momentum. Let's get into the Bitcoin chart review. Bitcoin went sideways over the weekend with a slight tick up as we approach the GME gap close on Sunday. At the time of this recording, we are trading around the 66,900 level. We are currently waiting for a breakout in the 4-hour time frame. In the near term, the trend is showing a possible decision to move higher. We may see a run to grab liquidity around the 68,400 levels, and then a retrace back down, as longer time frame indicators are showing a downturn. Thanks for watching. If you like these daily touch points, then join the BRB team every Thursday night 7 p.m. Central Time for an in-depth view of what is going on in the crypto space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Every little bit helps, folks. And as always, we will be right back.